So Leila, you're graduating tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, think back. Do you remember when you were first here?
Yeah, I remember when I first came to the open day in 2014 it would have been. And then I came along to the applicant day in 2015, which is really good because you saw there people that were in the exact same boat as you.
So, when you applied to the university, you had a great long form to fill in. When did that start?
I think I'd kind of been thinking about starting to apply about 2013, when I was choosing my hires and advanced hires at school. And then I also kind of thought about what kind of subjects maybe is slightly geared towards law. I really enjoyed modern studies and history at school, and I think a lot of those aspects kind of touch on the law in terms of current affairs and then things that have happened in society that then maybe become legislation. So I think if anyone is particularly enjoy those subjects, then I think it's quite highly likely that you'll enjoy the law degree.
So what was it that you actually put in your personal statement?
I think I put in a mixture of how I enjoyed the modern studies and history aspect, just because I thought that would be something maybe the law school was looking for, but then again, I think anything you can put in and show that you have maybe those transferable skills that you can use in a law degree. Then I touched on my extracurricular activities or any achievements I had. I played the saxophone. I still do play the saxophone and piano.
I never knew that.
Yeah, so I was part of concert band and saxophone quartet with that. I also went on an expedition to Peru. I fundraised for that. So I learned a lot of independence and resilience and working in a team in that. So I just tried to highlight that more in my application. Just to show that I had a few things that would potentially appeal to the law school.
In that you were supported by your family and by teachers.
Yeah.
Did you get much of an input from your teachers at the school?
Yeah, I think the teachers were quite helpful in reading over some of my drafts of my personal statement in particular. And then it's just getting, I think, a few people to read it from different backgrounds, whether it's your family, your teachers, maybe some friends, or I don't know, family friends that are maybe in the professional kind of, whether they're law related or not.
That's the bit where you've actually got the opportunity to tell me and the university, the selectors, a bit about yourself and be slightly more discursive and tell us about your achievements. We're not expecting you to have climbed Mount Everest or the such like, but a bit about your interests. What is it that you're passionate about?
Yeah. I think that's important to get over. Yeah.
Saxophone?
Yeah. It was very much a drafting process and constant. I probably went through about 10 different drafts and just amended it and moved bits and pieces about. Because you're passionate about it, it will really convey it over to the person reading your personal statement and really will sell yourself to them.
And it worked?
Yeah, it must have done.
It must have done, because you're graduating tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly.